Today's recipe is leek and potato soup without cream. Make sure that you watch the recipe entirely in order to get the best results. Now, to get the right balance for the soup, I'm gonna be using equal amounts of potatoes and leek. And I'm only using the white part of the leek because I wanna keep the soup nice and white. Well, as white as it can be. But the green part, don't throw it away because you can use it for sauces or stocks. Once you chop your leek, get it into a big pan and move on to the rest of the ingredients. Now with the potatoes, I don't recommend cutting them too small because it's harder to kind of like manage the cooking time and they can go straight into the pan as well. That's why I put it all in one pot because I want to keep it nice and simple for you. And now we're gonna get in 4 cloves of garlic and 1 white onion. If you want to keep it dairy free all the way through, then your best friend will be about 4 or 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. If not, and to be fair, you're gonna get slightly better results if you're gonna add butter. About 50 grams is what you're looking for. Right, so now with the butter in or with the olive oil, depending on which one you prefer, this can go on medium-high heat for about 15 minutes or until the onion starts becoming translucent. Now once you put everything on the heat, add in a few sprigs of thyme, but only the leaves. And furthermore, at the beginning, I like to add the seasoning, which in this situation we're going simple with salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt for the time being, and you can check at the end, and 1/4 of freshly ground black pepper. When the onion starts becoming translucent is when we're going in with the stock. You can go with chicken or you can go with veg. It's totally up to you, but I do believe that chicken gives slightly better results because it punches a bit more flavor into the soup, but if you're vegetarian, you know the option. Lid on, and from when it starts simmering, we're gonna cook this for about 15-20 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked all the way through. Now you could pass this through a sieve to ensure even consistency, adjust the seasoning and see, maybe it needs a bit more salt, maybe it needs a bit more pepper, or maybe it's just perfect the way it is. Serve it immediately with some homemade croutons and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And if you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.